So I got an email where I saw that there is a massive hike, 100% hike, which we will be getting. So I
Okay.
was very curious to know about it. The weakest point was my resume. It was like very dull, which I had to
Mm-hmm.
work on. I can say 100, 1,000 percentage. Like
Wow.
whatever investment I have done it to the family,
True.
it it
Correct.
it gave me more than what I deserve actually. Whoever is looking for a job change
Mm-hmm.
or any type of they are facing any problem, so I am actually recommending to all my colleagues, like whoever is facing similar problem as mine.
Hi everyone, Saurav this side, and today I am again back with another empowering story, another empowering journey of Rohini, and she would like to share like how she has been able to make that thing happen, how she is going ahead in her journey, what were the struggles, what were the pain points, and what was the action plan, what she has been following for last couple of weeks. All right. So let's welcome Rohini and let's get her on board and let's listen to her how has been her journey. Hi Rohini.
Hi Saurabh. So
So
yeah.
Rohini, just introduce
Mhm.
yourself with the basic things. What is your profile? What is your experience? And then we'll go deeper into your journey.
Okay, yeah. So my name is Rohini Vaidya. I am
Mm-hmm.
from Mumbai. I'm working in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, for 8.5 years of experience. I
Okay.
have I'm working in a technology for automation testing and manual as well. There are several testing area which I have came across as well: regression testing, API testing, ETL testing, database
Okay.
testing. So I do have knowledge about all these things. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that was pretty much about myself.
Great. Super amazing to know about you as your
Mhm.
domain and as your like what areas are you working in. So Rohini, first of all, my very first question is that what were the results you were able to produce after you joined the Massive community?
Yeah, after joining the Massive, I initially started with going through all the videos which were there in the portal. So
Mm-hmm.
over there, the most important which I felt was the resume, resume which we build over there, the
Mm-hmm.
visual resume part. So that I never came across such CVs, and I've never seen that. So that was a very good point, which I feel that it will automatically impress anyone, like whoever sees it. So
True.
that was the one thing which I should mention it. So
Mm-hmm.
um, through then I started working on all the videos which were there in the portal. So
Mm-hmm.
it gave me a motivation as well, and also it gave me a never give up attitude as well,
True.
because
Correct.
yeah, so that was my turning point actually.
Wow. So, Rohini, as you shared that you are around 8.5 years of experience in this
Yeah.
journey and you are working on automation testing and various sort of testings are involved into your
Hmm.
domain. So,
Yeah.
in this, like you have a good amount of experience, you have a good long journey into this IT exposure. What
Hmm.
do you feel has been your biggest pain point or has been your biggest struggle in this complete journey?
Okay. Biggest pain point is the notice period which we serve. Most of the companies do not accept only the main company which have a very good name in the industry. They
Mm-hmm.
only consider a 90 days notice period. Otherwise, everyone is like, you need to join after 15 days or 30 days. So
Okay.
that is the pain point which I think is which was covered in the videos as well, like how to deal with that thing.
Correct.
So that was a pain point.
Okay, fine. And my second question to you is that
Mhm.
how how you got to know about us, how you actually got into this community, and like what exact was the startup point?
Okay, so I got an email where I saw that there is a massive hike, 100% hike, which we will be getting. So I
Okay.
was very curious to know about it, because I'm working in Tata Consultancy, but my package is very low as per
Mm-hmm.
my experience because of some technical issues.
Correct.
So I was very attracted with the 100% massive hike
Mm-hmm.
story. So I
Mm-hmm.
also went through your YouTube channel as well.
Mm-hmm.
to know if it is genuine or not. And
Correct.
then yeah, and then I attended a seminar as well. So
Mm-hmm.
I saw that there are many positive results which we have achieved as a massive high family. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so at that point, November, I guess last week or something, I have joined the massive hive community.
Wow. And in how many weeks and how many days you got the results?
My interview started in December itself,
Okay.
and January they confirmed me.
All right. So within like 1.5 months,
2 months, yeah,
one and a
one and a
half,
half
two
months.
months.
Yeah.
Wow, great. So when did you go, when you got to know about this 100% hike and hikers hub and like all this community, and you were very much fascinated. You got excited that okay, this 100% hike and all these things are possible. So like have you been able to go through on that path, and what is the percentage hike you have been able to achieve?
Yeah, when I joined it, as I said, I started going through the videos,
Mm-hmm.
also the Facebook page which we have, a
True.
lot of information which is shared across. So that is also a very good. Plus the Excel sheet which we are maintaining just in case if we need any referrals or
Correct.
anything. So there are many what do we say, path we have in the family, in the
Mm-hmm.
community,
Mm-hmm.
which we can easily get it, and it is impossible to get out like
True.
this
Correct.
information outside. So
Absolutely.
yeah, so that is a very good point actually,
Mm-hmm.
which we are working on, and obviously we will also work on some other parts as well which will be beneficially for our community.
Correct.
So yeah, right now I have got around 80% of a massive hike from
Wow.
after
Mhm.
this journey. Like it's not
True.
done yet, but yeah, right now
Absolutely.
I'm
This is just a
yeah,
beginning, and like we'll be going ahead and we'll be touching more than 100, 120, 150. That
yeah,
has to be your like eye on.
yeah.
And my again, my like one more question, rider question on this thing is that when people think that I am 6 years experience, I am 5 years experience, I am 8 years experience, or I'm 10 years of experience, they start feeling that I cannot get more than 20 or more than 25% hike. What is your take on that part?
Yeah, even I was thinking initially that we cannot get at more than 30% of hike, but yeah, I have also pinged you during the session as well that
Correct.
I have a discussion with an HR and how to deal with that.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the video which we have, how to make sure
Negotiate.
like
Mm-hmm.
negotiate with the HR.
Mm-hmm.
So also that also helped me a lot. We had also a discussion like how to deal with that, so it gave me a boost. And yeah, initially she was giving me 70%, but I made it at 80%. So
Wow.
that was my negotiation part and all that
Great.
area. Yeah.
Okay. So, Rohini, one more thing, what I'm very much curious about to know is that what were your action plans? What were your like mode of action, or like, okay, these are the things what you implemented, or these are the actions what you took, or like how you crafted your plan? Like, okay, like you have been able to achieve results in 1.5, 2 months. So, just share that 1.5 or 2 months of journey.
Okay, yeah. So my daily routine was I used to work, but before work, like start the work, I used to go every portal. I
Mm-hmm.
used to see whatever jobs opening are there, and I used to maintain my resume according to the job requirement, and then I
Okay.
used to apply it. So I
Mm-hmm.
used to make sure every day I use at least two or three like whatever the requirement matches with my job profile. I used to apply it over there. Also, then there was the videos and the sessions which we had. It also helped me a lot,
Okay.
the weekly sessions as well.
Yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so there was a plan as well for me, like whatever we need to do it over a month, like what should be a good point, what should be a bad point, which we discussed on the first session of this year, right?
Mm,
So
correct.
yeah, so that as well, I have my chart ready over there. So I
Mm-hmm.
used to look at the chart as well, to see if I am going in a correct path or what action I need to take. So, like
Absolutely.
maintaining a balance, like what we need to achieve, it will help us. So that is a
True.
main thing.
and that
It's
act like a accountability partner to us. A lot of
yeah,
times
that we
when,
need to do it anyhow.
yes, a lot of times when we fail and we are not able to do something, it is just because we are not following up on our own self. We are not following up on our dreams. We are not following up on our task or achievements, what we are trying to make it happen.
Yeah, that's right.
Great. So, okay, what is the best thing what you want to share it with other people in your journey? Like what they need to follow, what they need to go through, and they cannot miss that particular thing.
Okay. Every video in the portal, don't miss it because it give a very good idea like how we should proceed and how we should take a certain responsibility to make a our like package which we are working, it should be 100% high. So
True.
that is the one thing. Other thing, all the information which is shared in the portal,
Mm-hmm.
in the Facebook portal which we have, the community is sharing a very good. I mean, I have seen it like they are sharing all the openings, or if there
True.
is
Yes.
any, if there are any technologies which anyone want to do it, so they are actually helping it out. So it's
Mm-hmm.
just most of the people don't think like, should I approach them or should I not? What
Mm.
if he will not reply?
It's more
Try
like a
it.
family now.
Yeah, try it because last week as well, there was one girl who approached me because she was getting hired in TCS. So we have around 45-minute church talk
Wow.
over the call. So it will help you. You just need to make an initiative which will
Correct.
help you to progress.
Correct. And what I totally believe is that we need to have, or we need to call, or we need to connect with like-minded people who are
Yeah,
also on a same mission, who are also on a same path. Otherwise,
yeah,
if I'm just like connecting with those people who are, like my alignment is not happening with them, then we'll definitely not be able to like pull out something meaningful out of that conversation.
yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. So, all right, we have talked about your journey, we have talked about your things, how
Mhm.
you came and how you prepared. One more thing I really want to know is that what was your biggest, weakest point? What do you feel that you were struggling badly on that aspect, and how did you like bounce back from there?
Okay. The weakest point was my resume. It was like very dull, which I
Mm-hmm.
had to work on because it was. I've been in a company for 8.5 years, and to update resume is not a good thing. Like
Correct.
in TCS, we have lot of restriction over there as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, the resume building part, that was a very weak point which I was having.
Okay.
Once I had updated a resume, like whenever I applied, I do get a response. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, because of some the negotiation of or the notice period,
Mm-hmm.
it does not work because most of the companies are currently looking for 15 days or 30 days, not more than that.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
So these two are the pain point. But yeah, there are companies as well who wait for 90 days if you
Mm-hmm.
are a right candidate as well. Also, we need to
Absolutely.
push back the company as well if they think if we are a right candidate
Mm-hmm.
um, to the position which they have, so they
Mm-hmm.
will really wait for us. So
Mm.
that was the two biggest point: notice period and the resume.
Absolutely. And these are the those things what every single person is going across. What I have
Yeah.
observed the market and what I have seen, and
Mm-hmm.
that's why these two are the main focuses what we go ahead and what we do inside the community. So that like if like my mission and my goal is that the people into the hikers community, they should not be like facing the problems what other people outside the community are facing. So that's what
Yeah.
is the major point. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So, Rohini, one last question to you that whatever like investment you must have made by joining into the community, by coming into the community, how many times of value you have actually got in terms of your returns or return results, all those things?
It's, I can say 100,000 percentage. Like
Wow.
whatever investment I have done it to the family,
True.
it
Correct.
it it gave me more than what I deserve actually.
Hmm.
So yeah, I am very thankful that I have joined this community and it
Mm-hmm.
helped me a lot. So
Correct.
I'll recommend it to all my colleagues, like whoever is looking for a job
Mm-hmm.
change, or any type of they are facing any problem. So I am actually recommending to all my colleagues, like whoever is facing similar problem as mine.
Correct. Hmm. That's what the whole thing is, that we can empower, we can help, we can only go ahead with those people who are ready for action. That is what I believe in. Like if people
Yeah,
are not ready for action, then they're not, like they won't even imagine for getting in the results. Okay,
yeah.
great. All right. So one quick message, one last message, what you would like to share it with every single person, whosoever is part of our community, or even if who are not part of our community, what is your biggest mantra or what is your biggest secret?
Okay, never give up is the
Okay.
one thing which we need to take up.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
if we need to achieve something, we need to make sure that we should never give up.
Mm-hmm.
So, and also there is one more thing, that we should approach people, though they are not replying, try another people, but we should not
Mm-hmm.
think like don't. I mean, people may think like, what if
Judgment.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
what will people will think if I have typed something wrong and stuff like that.
True.
Don't, because in our massive hike family, no one thinks about it. Everyone is there to help each other.
Correct.
So yeah, never give up, it should be our mantra
Mm-hmm.
actually.
All right. So, from this mantra, from this one thing, what you are sharing, never give up.
Hmm.
I want to go deep into one area, one aspect. As you shared with me that you were getting into like health issues and health problems, and those
Yeah.
personal things were bothering you for a like long period of time. Okay. So, I believe that if you have done something, if you have been able to overcome it, if you have been able to fight with your own self, and you have been
Hmm.
able to produce results, I'm sure a lot of people would be going through some pain in their families, in their personal life, in their health. So, like, what is that one thing which can actually bring them out of that pain? As you are the live example in front of all of us.
Yeah, initially, yeah, I was going through many health issues. So
Mm-hmm.
I gave myself a time like to recover from it.
Mm-hmm.
Once I got recovered from it, and then I started looking like what needs to be done as part of my professional experience, like
Correct.
what should
Mm-hmm.
be done. So
Mm-hmm.
first, obviously, health is important. Everyone should take care of our health. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as soon as you bounce back to normal, just make
Mm-hmm.
sure, don't sit and just make random plans, work on it.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Instead of
Yeah,
excusing or instead of just thinking, okay, my 1 year has been wasted or my 2 years have been wasted due to
yeah,
health and due to this and due to that, we need to actually start working.
yeah.
Great, Rohini, great. And I really love your message. I really love the way you have been able to bounce back. You have been able to go through with that journey. And one more thing I really want to share with everyone is, when you are more than 7 years experience, more than 8 years of experience, or you are like a kind of a seniority you
Hmm.
have in that role, a kind of ego comes in. A kind of ego comes in that, okay, will I connect with someone who is 2 years experience? Will I connect with someone who is 5 years of experience? What will they teach me, or what will they tell me, or what will they guide me? So that sense comes in a lot of people, and I believe that should not be there, and we need to
Yeah,
be open
absolutely.
minded, and we should be ready to learn every single aspect.
Yeah, actually, what I think is, whoever is 0 years experience or 2 years experience, they do have knowledge about the recent technology. So there are
Correct.
many things which we can learn from them. It's not like
Mhm.
we should go in our ego and say, what will he teach me? Actually, they do know many things which we have never came across. So yeah, absolutely, we should have an open-minded, like whatever, anything, whatever makes your
Mhm.
professional journey uh, good, like it should be a good journey which we are actually working on.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's what I think. You
Great.
should be open minded.
Absolutely. It was a wonderful connecting and interacting with you, Rohini.
Yeah.
And you came up to share your story, your results in order to help and empower and push more people. It was a great gesture of yours, and I really
Hmm.
appreciate that particular thing.
Yeah,
Hope
thank you,
you and
Saurabh.
your family are happy right now.
Yeah, 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 they are happy.
Wow, great. Thank you so much, Rohini.
Yeah, thank you, Saurabh. It was nice talking to you.
Absolutely, same here.